Hello, Dull Bedsit Blogger here, and it's bonfire night. You might be able to hear the fireworks outside, crashing and a booming away, and you're going, why aren't you at Lewis? Well, I've got to start work early tomorrow, and I really can't be late. If I start late, it has knock-on effect for the whole day. So, you know, I've got to be on time, and I don't want to be there bleary-eyed with a slight hangover, so I'm not going out. Next year I will be able to, because it'll be on a Wednesday evening. That'll be exciting. Anyway, I'm going to have my own firework display by eating this. A friend of mine gave me this chili, and they said, oh, it was a bit hotter than they expected. It was from a veg box, and it was a bit warm. Yeah, it was a bit warmer than they expected it to be, and they thought they know someone who likes chilies. And to be honest, I'm really out of practice at eating pods. I was given some pods, but I've not really done much pod munching this year. So I'm going to give this a go. It's got a good weight to it. Feels quite fleshy. Let's cut it open and see what's going on inside. It's quite a big firework. So there you go, that's what's going on inside it. Looking alright. I might take out some of these seeds and save them for my friend. So there you go, there's still a few seeds in there. Yeah, I'm very out of practice with pods. It doesn't smell too crazy. Lovely and sweet. Really nice and sweet. It's got a nice building heat. Started as a peppery tickle, and it's building up to be something more than the peppery tickle. It's not at a super hot chili heat. It's a reasonable heat. Quite a pleasant amount of niceness. I think it'd be nice on a pizza, but really sweet. That's the main thing that I noticed. Lovely and sweet. So yeah, that's my fireworks. I hope you heard those big ones going off outside while I ate that chili. And yeah, see you later. Bye bye.